Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, I will try to explain vSphere integration with other VMware products. If you go through VMware documentation, you will end up with a huge product list. There are so many third-party products as well that offer plugins and integrations and connections via API. Let's discuss a few of those products. First, we have vCenter Server Appliance, which we deep dive later and will also configure in our lab environment. Next, we have vSAN, or Virtual Storage Area Network, is for distributing storage across your compute cluster. It is a separately licensed product. VMware vSAN is fully integrated with VMware vSphere as a distributed layer of software within the ESXi hypervisor. vSAN aggregates local or direct attached data storage devices to create a single storage pool shared across all hosts in a vSAN cluster. It eliminates the need for external shared storage and simplifies storage configuration through storage policy-based management. Using virtual machine storage policies, you can define storage requirements and capabilities. VMware Horizon Suite is for virtual desktop infrastructure, a modern platform for secure delivery of virtual desktops and apps. It runs on top of the vSphere infrastructure. VMware vRealize Suite is a purpose-built management solution for the diverse data center and the hybrid cloud. It delivers and manages infrastructure and applications to increase the business activity while maintaining IT control. It provides the most comprehensive management stack for private and public clouds, multiple hypervisors, and physical infrastructure. You can use vRealize Suite Lifecycle Manager to automate installation, configuration, upgrade, patch, configuration management, drift remediation, and health from within a single pane of glass. VMware NSX is a full-stack Layer 2 to Layer 7 network virtualization and security platform that uses a software-defined approach to extend networking and security across data centers, clouds, and various application frameworks. By virtualizing network functions in the infrastructure, NSX brings networking and security closer to where the applications run, whether it's virtual machines, containers, or bare metal servers. NSX is an advanced network provider for virtualized environments that are powered by virtual switches. Most enterprise environments maintain a high number of virtualized workloads. NSX leverages the concept of the virtual switch to extend the capability of the virtual network. Lastly, there are a very long list of third-party tools, including backup applications, disaster recovery, monitoring, management, and much more that you can explore on VMware documentations. Let's get back to our VCSA vCenter Server Appliance topic. What is VCSA, or vCenter Server Appliance? VCSA is a centralized management for vSphere environment. It is massively scalable and can support thousands of hosts and tens of thousands of virtual machines. It runs a Linux-based operating system, so you don't have to license Windows. There is no more vCenter Server for Windows. That product is now deprecated and only VCSA is available. It also supports multiple amazing features, such as high availability, load balancing, power management, DRS, distributed resource scheduler, and also help vMotion of running virtual machines from one host to another. We will discuss and configure all of those in the coming videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.